Good evening, teacher. My name is Jordan Boris Velasquez Palma. Okay. Differentiation and personalization. Some people say that teacher chose adapt instruction to meet individual needs. Other people say that it is more important to recognize and accommodate learning styles because the ideas are correct. Teacher needs to use different IFL education methods with different students, but they also need to consider the ways that students learn best. Differentiation is a way to change instruction so that it meets the needs of all students. For example, if a student has difficult reading, the teacher may have her an audio recording of a moving text. This can help her understand the story better. Another student might finish work quickly. The teacher can give him extra work to show that he continues to learn new things. Basic vocabulary is another factor for teachers to think about. Some people learn best by saying things, while others learn best by listening. Others learn best by doing things. For example, in a class where students are learning about plants, some students might prefer to read about plants. Other students might want to listen to the teacher talk about plants. Still, other students might like to plant seeds and watch them grow. All of these activities can help students learn. In conclusion, teacher needs to consider both differentiation and learning styles. They should try different and fairly education activities with students and see what works best. When they think sometimes that works, they should keep down it. Comprehension question. Read the text and answer the question. Upload this work onto Google Classroom. Number one. What is one way teacher can adapt instruction to meet individual needs? Okay. One effective way is to differentiate activities by offering different levels of difficulty or alternative formats so each students can work at their own pace and according to their learning style. Number two, what can a teacher do for students who finishes work quickly? The teacher can provide station activities or additional time that allow the students to go deeper into the content instead of waiting for other trainings. Number three, why is considered learning styles important for teachers? It matters because students process information differently, and when teachers adjust their instruction, increases understanding, motivation, and student engagement. Number four, take example of how students with different learning styles might prefer to learn about modern cities. A visual learning may prefer maps, infographics, and adultery, learn by joy and podcast or a class discussion in kinetic learning, my learn best by building a model or exploring a virtual simulation of the city.
Peek into any teenager's bedroom around exam time. See all the different cramming methods. You more than likely have your own style, whether you know it or not. But why do learning styles matter? Have you ever noticed how there are times when things just click with you, and other times you just can't get your head around it? Perhaps there's a tutor you just can't get your head around it. Everyone has a different way of learning. Peek into any teenager's bedroom around exam time. See all the different cramming methods. You more than likely have your own style, whether you know it or not. But why do learning styles matter? Have you ever noticed how there are times when things just click with you, and other times you just can't get your head around it? Perhaps there's a tutor you remember because they were particularly good or particularly bad. Maybe you've been the trainer, and some people just don't seem to get even the most simple of concepts. This is all down to a misalignment of learning styles. This clash can be hugely frustrating.
Learning styles.
And can really affect the functioning of your team. In this video, we're going to define the 4 main learning styles according to Honey and Mumford. Knowing about these styles is useful in 2 ways. 1, if you're on the receiving end of the learning, it will help you to understand what your own learning style is, and then it will help you expand on it to get the most out of any training. And 2, if you're delivering the
Training.
you overcome these differences in style and adapt your methods to suit everyone. Style 1, the reflector. Their motto,
Methods.
before you leap. The reflector likes to stand back and look at the big picture. They take their time to do their research and examine every option before making any decisions, if they ever make them at all. This style of learner does not enjoy presenting to the group and will drown if thrown in at the deep end. They prefer to take a back seat in discussions, listening to everyone else before making their own points. Style 2, the activist. Their motto is, I'll try anything once. The activist is open-minded, full of energy, and super enthusiastic. The problem is, once the excitement has died down, they quickly get bored, lose interest, and look for the next activity. These learners like to brainstorm, getting excited by new challenges, but bored with implementation. They enjoy group activities, but do tend to center it around themselves. Style 3, the theorist. It's logical, is their motto. These analytical learners have a great eye for detail, thinking through problems in a rational, step-by-step way and with great detail. However, they're not the most creative of people. This style of learner is not comfortable with ambiguity and may reject anything that does not fit into their own particular mindset. Style 4, the
Mindset.
Their motto is just do it. They're essentially practical, down-to-earth people who like solving problems, often through trial and error. They like to get on with things and act quickly on ideas that attract them. These learners are happy to present to a group as they're fairly confident and enjoy abstract concepts. So, which one are you? Now, which one are you really? Use what you know about these 4 styles to improve your learning and or teaching.
Teaching. Okay. Look at the information about Ellen and then completing the Venn diagram. Ellen difference. She has a full-time job. She has 3 daughters. She eats outside. She plays soccer. Similarities. They both work. Family is important. Working for the family. Team difference. He works part-time, he has a son, he eats house, he practices skiing. It is my Venn diagram. Differentiation and personalization. Characteristics, glaciers, characteristics. Differentiation. Characteristics. I show adapting activities. Visual aids, grow work, continuous assigning. Similarity. Clear objective, individual follow out, teaching adjustment. Personalization. Characteristics. Promote participation, developing of responsibility, all right, all right, learning goals,